Okay, so there's a few tools that you're going to need if you want to get the maximum impact, especially as it relates to some of the more sophisticated sides of content marketing. If you just want to wing it, it's understandable. You're probably not going to get anywhere without a little bit more extensive research. Um, Tools dedicated to like keyword research and like promotion and backlink stuff like that. I'm not going to make any hard recommendations. Ones that I've used in the past that I liked. Um, Ahrefs is sort of a big name brand in the space. $99, you can subscribe. If you start a trial, they have a 7-day trial. So if you know what to do specifically going in, then you can sort of experiment, get your stuff that you need, and then have your content strategy or at least your keywords you want to focus on for the next 6 months if money is tight. But they do a whole bunch of other stuff that's Site Explorer, dashboard, telling you all sorts of stuff related to SEO. Buzzsumo is an important one for promotional stuff. They're actually coming out with a keyword tool as well. But they do all sorts of different things around content analysis for various websites, backlink analysis, influencers, so they'll give you like lists of influencers on major platforms for promotion. Ubersuggest is a really good one. Neil Patel is sort of the gold standard in the space for content marketing. He's kind of mastered the digital marketing stuff. So he came out with a tool where he's provided a ton for free on the free level. So you could use that. And then also you can use Google's keyword research tool. It's become a little bit more complicated to figure out how to use it, but it's still manageable. It's not going to give you that list of keywords like you sort of need to be sort of export and put into a file, but it is possible to sort of like individually do keyword research. So you can do your own research. These are some that I recommend. If you're looking for free keyword research tools, maybe do your own research. But for the purpose of these courses, potentially go and sniff these out. ahrefs.com, buzzsumo.com, and then Ubersuggest. And then you can look at Google's keyword research tool. The purpose that you need for keywords, if you want to do keyword, if you're trying to create keywords and follow a proper keyword strategy, you need to be able to get competition numbers, percentage, so they rank those, and then you need to get volume, because that's how you're going to be making a decision about what keywords to focus on. So that's sort of the primary purpose of it.